Hi, Jonathan Pickup. I finally got my hands on this really amazing measuring device called Moser. So this is the Moser app here, and when we tap on the app, you can see I've actually been out having a play. So this is a project that I'm just playing with. I'm just learning, remember, but I wanted to show you how you can get your Moser information directly into your Vectorworks. Now there's a couple of ways that I've tried that are really successful, and you can see them behind me here. So I've tried two different ways of importing my site model. And I've ended up with a very accurate representation of this contour that they've given me. So when I measured this file, I have the spots that I've created. We've got the 3D view. So this is a little hill that I measured. I just needed to try this out. It creates a 3D mesh, but it also creates all my contours. When you export, you've got a couple of options. So I've tried a couple of these. I've tried exporting this one here, the export to CAD, and I've also tried exporting to CSV. The CAD one worked really well, and I made terrible mistakes to get started with. They were all up to me, not up to Moser. But I'm really successful, and I'm really happy that I've got now this really cool site model. Now I've tried the CSV as well, and it works really well. One of the things I did notice with the CSV file is that it needs a 0 starting point. Now where I started measuring was here, and if you look carefully, that's 0, 0 on my page. So it actually did a great job of putting that straight on. I'm just going to get rid of that one. This is the one I imported from the DWG, the DXF file, and you can see it's a great site model. And I'm really happy with that. So I think this is super cool. I'm really looking forward to doing more of this. So watch out, become a subscriber, and watch how I do more of these videos, because the important thing for me isn't just how cool it is to do this measurement, but how easy it is to get this information directly into your Vectorworks. Thanks for watching.